How are you doing, everybody? Welcome to Monday. Welcome to the first day of the week. Jesus Christ. And welcome to me learning more Löve2D. I was thinking on making games, like not making playing games, but I'm in the mood of some tinkering, so we will actually go with that. Let me try launching Snip again to see if we can now fetch what we will be playing on Spotify. It's such a bummer that it is not working correctly. So this is just lo-fi. Oh, Snip is just dead. Wow. In the meantime, I can switch over to here. But I will try to make Snip come alive. Oh, even my task manager froze. What the hell? Does it even show Snip? Oh, there it is. And that is totally dead for me. Wow. Okay, then we're gonna use the other method. I'm gonna try find my little Spotify window. Bye. There we go. There in the corner. Perfect. So you're still playing the Jazz Lo-Fi list from the Lo-Fi Girl Spotify account. And yeah, can I? No, I cannot do it that way. So I need to keep it actually an active window. Cool. So, did I work on anything? No, I did not. Or at least I don't remember doing anything. Let me get rid of these print calls, because we don't need them anymore. There we go. So last time we added the particles, and we added the ability to pick up that mushroom over there. So bloop. So plan for today is add some particles over the mushroom. And the other one is to make a better movement, kinda. And the other one I forgot. I will probably just tinker around with the palisade, or I don't know. We will have to figure out. As I said, it's a very low vibe today. Loki, welcoming. How you doing? Hope Monday was nice to you. And I already forgot what I said, what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the particle thing. Where am I? Main law. No, I should be in player. Oh, is it not where I'm making my particles in? I don't play a particle. Oh. Blech. Yep, this is ugly AF. Not sure how I would actually make it nicer. I am handling my mushrooms here, right? Yeah. I am calling their update, but I'm checking if we are actually colliding here. Monday is being nice, getting a lot done. Heck yeah. I'm so glad you did not abandon that project. But I would totally understand if you would just yeet that whole thing. Hats off to you. Also time to include a VCS. Some kind of git. And yet again I forgot what I wanted. I wanted particles for mushrooms. Most of them I can eat from here, but honestly, should be able to be included here. Hello, particles. First, then delete. And the hard way, I guess. I mean, at least you learned. You got something out from here, and from what I understood, you refactored a lot of things. So, if you focus on the positive sides, there are some nice things that you got out there. Of course, it would be better to not lose everything. But yeah. Oh yeah, Daya, you do not know. Loki basically, if I remember correctly, HDD died, and basically his whole game project went out of the window. Like, it's like remaking from code and like old versions, if I remember correctly, maybe. So I do have. I have a git in this one. Oh, I do. It is. I'm pretty sure it is not pushed up anywhere. Git. What do you say? Git comment. Article system. This is my new Chen make backups. I rarely did it. I have it only in my more complicated projects. Only even there, only mostly for rerolls. When I mess up something, I can just check out to an older commit and just say that never happened. At least I don't think I have this project up somewhere, but hold on, let me quickly look at my GitHub. Because it might be the case that I already made. 3-2, 3-love. I do actually indeed have a repository for this. And I merged some kind of pull request already. What did I do? S yours under my S, you fucker. Your mother has a nice view under me. Okay, there we go. What is this that I committed? Hold on, I'm just quickly checking stuff. I guess I can show this to you, but it's not really interesting. I'm just looking through my GitHub at the moment, because I do have a commit up, and looks like this basically holds everything, so I just committed over it. What is the diff? I guess I can check that. Hold on, we can check that through. Oh no, I need the diff from the two commits. How does it show? Yeah, this new commit was only deleting stuff. Cool. I guess we can append to it, whatever. Doesn't matter. I haven't checked. Technically, I'm being smart here, and I already forgot that I'm being smart here. So, particle. Am I making it this way? Honestly, this should handle this whole particle handler. Could handle adding the particle to the collection. I need to look into that. That's a to do. And then what is a to do? I don't have a to do. So I guess time to create a to do. To do md the list. What did I say? What I'm doing? I'm move the particle addition to the table to the particle handler. Okay, I always forget. I think it is just space. I always forget what is the embedded thing. Okay, just pull new. Should. Don't need the launch load, don't need the particle load, don't need the coach, don't need the player, don't need the help. I don't need anything for the time being, only this main file. So it is particle handler, new particle, mush.x times coach tile grid size, mush.y. Is it not mush? Oh, that's in particles. Oops. I want to go up there. That is how tired I am. Up here. This is the mushroom. Exercise. SX and SY can be. I guess SY should be a negative value, so it is moving upwards. So SX can be math random times. It is in helpers, right? Helpers. Random element from -1 1. So this just gives us some random number between -1 1 basically. It's like either a random negative number or random positive number. And the other one needs to be positive, so it is not random. And I'm forgetting this. Right? That's how Löve does. Not fruit random. Yep. Yep. And I'm forgetting lifetime. On page 10. I guess it should be plus 10 plus. I guess it can be plus 20. It doesn't really matter. Color. This should be an array. And now it should be. Color dot. Pico red. Color dot pico white. Color dot pico. What is that thing called? Not pink. I guess it is light peach, I guess. So one thing I would love about this, I think this is random, right? Is it? Color, it is an array. Oh no, I need to random this. So what I would love to have, honestly, helpers, random element from. What I would love here is a way so I can weight them by hand. Because what I have done in Pico8 is I have just duplicated the items. So for example, if I had red, green and blue and I wanted red 3 times as common, I would just do red, red, red and then blue and green. So the random had basically 3 times to choose from the red compared to the other ones. And this is a to-do also. Add a way to weight the helpers random to define weight for certain elements. Probably under the hood it will be the same logic. I will just add the item that many times into the array or something like that. Because to my understanding at the moment, yeah, this is just randoms one from, yeah, from 1 to the collection length. Cool. So this is the color, and there is one last thing, right? Yeah. This should not be just one. What am I doing with the other particles? I'm calling it one. Okay, we are changing this. Particle handler. Local particle. Particle type. Dot. Rectangle. And this needs to be renamed to particle type dot, and here we just do if self type equals particle type dot yeah, I typoed, but whatever. Then this is just a dot, not a semicolon. I think it is called semicolon. Whatever, the double dot, whatever that thing is called. And now I can say particle handler. But is it not exported? I guess it is technically not part of this. Is it through here? Nope. I also call it double dot. What is the name of it, by the way? What is called? Punctuation marks. That is the proper term. Control F. It is called a colon. Okay, that's just a colon. That to me means something else, but whatever. Wait, how do I add beauty here then? Do I just add it to this? I haven't done anything like this yet. To just say... Guess I could return you as well. I think that is the cleaner solution. Because adding to this would mean I always need to index this. Well, Lua still can do this, right? Particle type. Particle type. This should work. I don't know. We will learn it today. Particle type. Oh, I need to do it this way? No. I guess I do need to add it to you? Oh. Yes, handler. Particle type? That's weird. I'm probably doing something weird here. Yep, that's not how I do this. Oop. So I don't want to move this into const. Because it is technically part of particle handler. This is a function. I do not want to make a function. Okay, do I move just... But that would be the same, right? If I just do this. Move this. Now it is there, but... Oh! So now this gives me 1, 2, 3? I guess because... I'm just inserting the values and it is grabbing the... the automatic index for this. So the underlying key is 1, 2, 3 and the value is dot rectangle circle. So do I need to do this? That's so stupid. And Law is also crying at me. Is it because I'm missing this for everyone, or you just do not like me doing that? Yep, it looks like it just doesn't like me doing that. And we just do it the other way? Okay, I don't want the numbers, I want the actual values. Or like the names. Okay. Yeah, I want this. I want the names to appear. Because to me that is more readable than this magic one here. This is the closing parentheses in a stupid place. I mean, depends on code style. To me, this is more readable because I know that, hey, this starts here and ends here. And honestly, I should make another function so I don't need to for loop this. I don't need to write for I equals 110 do. I just tell the system that, hey, I need 10 particles. Particle collection. So yet again another to do. I cannot type. A function can call odd particles and parameters. I should also try to maybe somehow rework this because it is getting a bit long. But like, this is not that long. It's just a lot of parameters. So hold on, let's see if I actually broke something. Yep, I actually broke something. Global particle type, new value 29. Oh yeah, I don't need you here. I guess I do particle handler. This is so weird. Surely there is a better way to do it. I need to look into that. Probably gonna be like a thread in the Löve Discord. I just don't enjoy this. I guess in here it is whatever. I guess outside if I just want to type particle type dot, that would have to go into the const. Yeah. Am I okay with that? I feel like this const Lua file is gonna be quite big, quite fast if I do it all the time. I guess that is why it exists, because I don't want magic numbers, I want constants, which I can like do in one thingamajig, one space, one place. So is that the fix? It is the fix. Wait. That particle was going down. What? That was surely going down instead of up. Going up. Going down. Oh. Elevator operator. Oh yeah, this is not positive number. This is minus mod random. Yep. Honestly, I want more verticality in that. Maybe two. Oh no, it's not verticality that I want. I want this mod random to be more restricted. What game engine? As you can see in the title, this is Löve2D. We are learning Löve2D after Pico. Welcome in. That's you. That SGU? Not sure how. Usually correctly. I wanted this to be better. Löve2D can handle it, right? Löve2D. I think you can call it with a lower end and a higher end. In which. No, bad gateway on love. What? Is it down? Could be down. Ready to fully start making games on Löve now? Bigger ones? Probably, yeah. The big plan is to go to Playdate. I would love to... I have a Playdate. I would love to dev for the Playdate, but for that I need more like proper Lua experience. That is why I'm gonna be mostly like ping-ponging between Löve2D and Playdate in the future, I feel like. Because it is probably gonna be my game jam engine for a while. And like quick prototyping. After that I feel like Löve2D is just better. I do not like the fact that I don't have access to the retro game handhelds because it allows you to do that. And having to figure that out sounds like a huge pain. And while I'm speaking, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, and where it is in particle handler. Calling. Aren't I calling here? No, it's in help. Yeah, one collection length. So I assume there is an integer in the range. Oh, this is an integer? I guess I can divide it, but... So this is like... I want this to be slower, right? But like, I want this to be tighter. It's like a more upwards cone shape. Then I want to cut out the end values where this can be 1 or like close to 1. So honestly, we might be able to get away with just doing 05 here and here. But yeah, I'm hesitant on giving up the handheld sphere because I do really enjoy actually playing on a handheld myself as well. Like there is a reason why I have my Gameforce Chi. There is a reason why I have my phone. I have an old phone that is set up as a emulator device basically because I have an old Linux phone. Shocker. The software guy has a Linux phone, but you just need to grab a USB A, I think this is. It's like the mini, I think it is a mini connection. Like one of those telescopic grips, because on the long run, that phone is not comfortable to hold. That is a much better article. It is coming in the wrong position, right? Because it is trying to come from the left corner. So we are gonna add bunch. Grid size. Let's do it. So we are basically moving it to the middle. And that should. Honestly, this one could be even higher, like one random 2. That might be too much. What's Ctrl Shift F5? Oh, but I need to click here then. Yeah, it is just easier to move the mouse. My only gripe at the moment is there is no quick way to restart the whole app inside Löve2D. I could honestly just make a button for it, right? I just need to figure out how to restart the program. Löve2D. Lucky, do you know that? Verbal to void call. I guess you said you were mostly on the spreading side, right? Löve2D. Restart. Yep. What is a nifty way to make Löve up restart? That is exactly what I'm looking for. If we can get through it, because it looks like the official documentation down for a bit. Finally. I like to have restarting inside the running application. The same effect as starting from scratch. Make opera read config low and init order. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. You can call Löve run. Let's try this. Also, should we just do this and minimize it? I need to get used to this multi-window thingamajig I have set up. So what I can do is I need to grab, I still don't remember this from my hand, the key callback. This one. One day I will learn it, but today is not the day. What is this indentation I'm doing? It's unacceptable! Do this here. Remove all this. And EU Löve2D. I'm missing one end. Yep. It is correct. I'm indeed missing. Also, is the tabulation size different between my file? Oh, it is. What? Why are you tabbed to 2? Why these are tabbed to 4? What? What is this? What am to index the global self on nil value? Oh yeah. Me being stupid. That doesn't seem to do what I want, probably because my whole project setup is different. So this just killed everything. Oh, but this is not the actual movie. Like, not the way I wanted. Yep, bad gateway. This is a game without relaunching the executable. By adding quit event with a restart parameter to the queue, this cleanly shuts down the main or instance and creates a brand new one. Equivalent to Löve event push quit restart org. Löve event restart. There's a little reset. That is popping up for me. Oh, and this is now... This eats all my other stuff? Okay, that's interesting. So I need it here. I need to look into this as if... Yeah, because I could not move, basically. So, no. If key equals q, yeah, dot I can move. Okay, so this is not restored. So hold on. Let's check out this one. I guess this can be nil. We do not care about anything. Oh, I've got the power. Tam. Got the power. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I missed this so much from Pico. Like the ability to just spam Ctrl R to reload the game. Oh, a whole new world. Does it flash? It doesn't. It's not that bad on your side. Yeah, you can do that. Yep. You can set up this one here. I can place it here if you want to fetch it. That is neat. So one thing I do not understand is why having another callback to this killed every movement for me. So like if I did this in main, it is inside. I guess it was inside my accumulator. That might have been the issue. But to me, this felt like you can just call this and it happens, and it doesn't care where this is called. But like actually, was something weird. Yeah, here it just eats all my controls. I'm not sure why is that happening. I don't fully understand this. It's because here is it should not be the problem. They need to be a separate function like over here. Yeah. It's like the same thing, you're just in different parent scope, basically. Oh, but now the queue doesn't work, so this is actually not recognized. That is why it was happening. Oh no, hold on. I just forgot to uncomment it. Stupid streamer. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Yeah, it does not recognize it here, so I actually need it probably inside the other. So why is... I don't understand this, and I'm probably not gonna understand it without... Yeah, here now, everything that I do is disabled, basically. Like, I can press this Q, but nothing else. Looks like I need one main place where I'm handling the key presses with this callback. But yeah, I can now just press Q and it reloads the app, basically. Just restarts it. Which is super lovely that I don't have to move my mouse and like click on restart or Alt Tab Shift F Shift Control F5. Just press bloop. Reboots. Magic. Okay. So now I would need to draw. Because this was one thing I wanted to do. How goes the lovemaking with the smooth jazz? It goes perfectly. We now have a safe word. I can just press Q and the app exists. How are you doing, Fody? How are you doing? I did not know this is the thing that you can do, and having the need to like move my cursor up to the actual like, I don't even know what this dock is even called in VS Code, like the debugging dock, and pressing rerun, just being able to press Q and it just restarts it itself. It's like, oh, I could use words, but yeah, because I love the ability in Pico 8 to be just able to press Ctrl R and reload the whole app, and it just restarts and inits and everything by itself. Push quit restart. Interesting. I need to look into this Löve and what this can do. Am I allowed to go back? Cloudflare, let me in! Let me in! There's something wrong on their side. Oh, this is a throwback to old school manuals. I knee deep in UI there, but I see the light at the end of the tunnel, kinda. Hopefully it is not the train. But I guess if it is MAV, then you're fine. For like a few years. Lemon! What is this? Restores the game without relaunching the executable. This doesn't work for me. Like, it said that there is no restart for me, right? We tried restart. I'm not tripping. .event.start. You just cried for me for being a baka. Attempt to call field restart. Yeah. Wait, what is this? Love 12? Oh, that might be the issue because I'm not sure if I have love. Can I do it? I'm not sure what is it. Is it version? Yeah, I'm on 11.4. Okay, that's the reason then. I did not even know that there is a 12. Oh no, started to learn the API and there is a new one. Yeah, it's down. Since I'm streaming basically, because I just looked at something before I started streaming. Did I kill the website? With my stupid questions? I searched and the whole database went like, ah, this guy is too stupid. Just send him bad gateway and, and let him struggle. Oh my god. Go away. I don't need you. So, particles for mushrooms, done. This is still stupidly ugly, but we will refactor that someday. Oh yeah, I wanted to try out actually implementing versus lerp function into this. Like interpolation. But honestly, sounds like a pain in my ass. Jed, welcome in, welcome in. How you doing? Bro, I had so stupid people in my team for Omega like during the weekend. I went to like the middle of high platinum, then fall back to like the middle of the mid platinum, and finally I'm back to like high platinum again. Like Jesus, oh, people are so stupid. Holy. Because all a diamond player who belongs in gold, I'm pretty sure. Like they had no clue what the game was about, and they were like higher ranked than me. So like, what the fuck? Who carried you up there? Come back down, you scoundrel. And in my yapping, I forgot what I wanted to do yet again. Oh boy. Brain scatter today. Did I write anything in the title? Löve2D learning. That is not helpful in any of the announcements. Okay, that is indeed not very helpful. So, I did particles for mushrooms. So I guess now Spotify is in the wrong place. Hold on. Let me fix that, honestly. Because now it covers something for you, and if I just move it up here, whoop, damn, perfect. So mushrooms are in place. So in theory, I would need to draw something, because the next thing I want is the port. Like I need the portal that we exit. I can show you. So in Druid Dash, that's the second one. What is the first one? So in Druid Dash, you enter on a portal space there, and that is inactive till you pick up all the mushrooms. Is this a dead position? Hi Dad, I'm in position. Yeah, this was that position. Wow. I was harsh back then. So I needed this big pink mushroom. And then you can go back to the portal and advance to the next stage. Okay, I can... Little bit of history for this game. This is very tall started. This is not the way. I messed up. That is the way. So yeah, that is still... But I haven't drawn the thingamajig for this. The tile. Do we want to ace right now? And I have to re-export everything. I guess what better thing do I have? Nothing. So sprite. Come over here. I need to find the file for this. Oh no, there is an open recent, but this should be it. So file open, and this is in map files. There we go. Loop. And you all need this right now. Loop. These are all unused spaces. Oh, but this is... Do I not have a... I don't have an ace fry. Dot ace. I'm just raw dogging my PNG. Wow. Wow. Okay, then 16. Wait. It's crazy to me that I'm just doing the raw png g. New, move down, clear screen, back to layer 1, make it round. We can make it rounder if you want. I'm just not sure what we can like. Just do some imaginary thingamajig. Chloe is cooking with his polo stuff. I haven't asked about him about that yet. So I have no clue what is inside that. I'd love to at some point. Honestly, because it sounds like fun, and if I don't have to redo, like remake my field pay, basically the field pattern, I would be a happy man. For now, this will do. Transfer function, setting a default sprite. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Who is the cooker, the chef? There. There, and I want this to be this bright. Oop, oop, oop. Oop, oop. Save it. Then we need to open tiled. I need to send a sprite down. Then we have tiled. I guess I can place this as the starting platform. Save this. Control-B. Looks for the style map 1. Yes, I do want to replace it. Now this is being minimized. And if I restart this, there we go, we have the portal tile. Now what we want to do is actually spawn the player there. Which is gonna be a bit tricky. Tile map. I need to save the portal tile while I'm pre-processing. Wait, what am I returning here? Oh, this is a bit different than my other files. Oops. How does this work? It's inside G, right? Yeah. Uh-oh. So, time up. So this is the mushroom pre-processing. I guess I can save local portal position. So iterate through everything, and if tile ID, what is this? Somewhere it showed. It shows like up here, right? Yeah, 16. But this is 0 base, so it is 17, right? Then local x equals, I guess I don't need local x, I can just say table dot insert portal position x, right? So this needs to be in the coach. Can I not jump there? I need to, okay, I need to click the tile, cool. Push. Portal. Tile. Was 17, right? Punch. Mushroom. Tile. And that was what, 4? 4, yeah. This is conch. Mushroom tile. Conch. Portal tile. We just fetch the value. So here in the main Lua, I can say local player positions equals this. Player ID, X and Y. So this is player positions 1, player positions 2. Right? Yay! And now we spawn on the portal tile. And in theory, if we go back to tiled now and I place it here and remove this one and re-export this whole thing. I'm sorry for the Windows thing. I have to look into how I can maybe disable that. Because of course I want to replace the file, that is why I'm exporting. I go back to here and refresh. And get rid of tiled. Then we are spawning in a new location. Whee! And I can press Q and restart the whole thing. Oh. This is... Oh! I cannot... how to say this? I cannot find the words how great the ability to press Q and reload the whole game feels. It's just like magical. It cannot be understated. I think it's hard to say, but like hard to try to get across this feeling to people who haven't devved like this. It's quite fast as well. It's like long. Like that said, I'm not doing many things in my game, but global variable in lowercase initial. Did you miss local or misspell it? Equation collection is a defined global. So this Lua diagnostics wants global things to be uppercase. We are spoiled. The more I work with other things, I realize that Picoate is just like, oh, full of quality of life things. It's such a well put together experience. This is just like, oh, it's perfect. Honestly, I thought this is gonna be harder. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this is gonna be much harder to do. So hold on, I need to comment this, by the way. Spawn mushrooms. Set player on. Oh, what is this? Who is doing this? Why are you suggesting me words? As I type. What is this? What is this bullshit? Like, I'm fine with it. I just don't know why is this happening? It's like a Copilot thing? Is VSCode just decided that I'm using Copilot even though I don't want to use Copilot? VSCode, Word, autocomplete. What is this bullshit? Not autocomplete, word suggestion. Yeah, this is just basic intelligence shit, yeah. Yeah. References, yeah. Step completion, yeah, that's just basic shit. Enhance completion with AI, is this the thing that is happening? Did you just decided to install Copilot? Questionnaire, bookmarks. Playdate balance. No, it is not here. What is... Do I have a positive word here? Positive? No, then why are you suggesting... This is not even in the project. Why were you suggesting me this? I'm like so confused by this. What's inside? Where are you? Where are you coming from? Ah! What is this? Text editor. Formatting. Suggestions. Is this editor inline suggest enabled? Quick suggestions. Controls whether a suggestion should automatically show up while typing. This can be controlled by typing in comments, strings, and other code. It can be configured to show a ghost text or suggest widget. It is off for comments. What is VS Code on? Or what am I on? What is this? Something was in my chickpeas. What is happening here? Okay, this needs to go into the to-do because I'm gonna lose. Figure out why I was ripping with comments. It's VS Code, I'm pretty sure. Like, I'm pretty sure it is VS Code that is doing this, but like, where did it learn this? Because to my understanding, IntelliSense can fetch words you already used in your project, but like, positive is not here and it is still trying to suggest me it. Like, this was not in old VS Code, right? Like, Copilot can do this, but I don't think I have Copilot enabled. I never enabled Copilot. I don't have the extensions. This is so stupid that this is enabled by default. The fuck? Feedback. we use? Telemetry. No, I don't have it installed. Yeah, to my understanding, it needs to be installed. Without that, it is not working. Or do they have like a built-in double copilot? The fuck is that? I'm so confused by this auto-completion. That is a railroad for sure. Position. That is such a railroad. Ah, okay, back to here. Now what I would need to do is check if the mushrooms array is empty, because I have picked up all my mushrooms. Technically in the OG Droid Dash, only the big mushroom was necessary. Every other one was an optional collectible. I do think I have a few of them dotted around in like spaces where you actually need to go outside of your normal way to catch them. So you can do like a mushroom percent in it. But what I need to do here is basically just switch the tile to the other one. And in player handle, when I'm hitting a tile that I was already on, I just need to load the next stage. This is layer, yeah, this is my layer, yep. If it is not water, what tile? Okay, so let's first things first. Change starting tile to be active portal once. Number of mushrooms 0. We also need to rename mushrooms. It needs to be mushroom collection. I'm gonna lose my mind if it is gonna say otherwise. Is it not play? Oh, it was a local. Fuck me. Oh, at jail. Hope you all have you blocked. How do I do this? It is g dot map. I need to call the. Oh no, I have it in the map. Okay, map. Set tile. Layer positions. Layer positions 2, 1. What happened? Oh, 40. You didn't have to do it. But thank you very much. But just to be safe. And now we will see if this code actually works. Thank you so much. Now I am ever closer to actually at some point getting some money from Twitch. We're like, what, the $4 mark out of the 50? Oh, thank you so much. And now I need to make sub badges as well. I need to do that particular amount anyway. Banger. There should be. I also. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh no, those are BTTV emotes. Where are my emotes? Oh yeah, Yapper and the Nodder are the only animated ones. This is how I know I'm getting tired, when I cannot speak. When I'm getting caveman again. How entities is it? Is ID and layer. So now I need another const. Active. Enjoy your ad free viewing until Twitch decides otherwise. I was about to say, if you have Amazon Prime, you could spare a few change, bleh, you spare a change from your wallet, but I'm not sure if it is that common inside our country to have one. And I want to modify the map. That we only have one mushroom. I guess we can have two if I do this. Suppose I can grab this and then grab that. Yep, it is tiled. I still need to learn it, but... And also someone, I forgot who, someone suggested another tool as well. Who was it? I have it written up. There's like another tool like this, which is basically a tiled alternative. You can actually place, I think, objects and such. I have no more experience with tiled other than setting a grid size, importing the tile set, and then exporting stuff. I know you can do like layers and stuff, but I haven't done any of that. And you can set up like auto tiles and everything. No guys from Dead Cells? I don't know. Is it? Oh, it could be. Is this the LDTK? This one? Is this the Cells one? Is there like an info somewhere down here? About? Sebastian Bernard. Deep Mind Games. Oh, that actually looks like, yeah. That's us. Oh. But yeah, it might have been you then, but someone already suggested this, and I just haven't checked it yet. Because I was like, I'm busy with learning Löve2D first, and then we can... Super Playdate? Oh? This looks something I would need in like the long run. Is like actually adding entities and configuring them and such. And there is like a Löve2D extension for it already, I'm pretty sure. LDTK Löve2D. Yeah, I already searched for this. There is a loader in... Someone already made a loader. Not sure how it works. But it is on the known list. Or like the to-do list, as Csöndi said, or to-learn list. And I was lost again in the railroad. Oh yeah, I wanted to rerun after exporting. So now in theory, and we can go to here as well. Now in theory, if I fetch this mushroom and this mushroom, oof. What? Oh, it's this. I need to go the other way. The inactive portal tile is the one that is on the right side. This needs to be 16. Oh, then if I modify this and press Q, it works as well, right? Probably. Yep. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. So yeah, I just messed up the ID because it is to the left of the... Oh, you cannot see that. Where is this, right? Ooh, okay, this is... Oh. Oh. Something indeed was in my chickpeas. The fuck? Let's paint a sprite. Okay, so a sprite and tile don't want to be on top of each other. Neither of them is a bottom, so someone needs to go. So yeah, this is to the left of the inactive one. And now I need to actually rewrite this somehow so it supports an index. So first things first. So path index is being funny behind me. So here I need to learn this whole thing. So this map.tilesets tileset.image. This is the same, right? This is where I gather the quads for the images. So I guess this draw is the one who needs to change. But then how do I handle you? Now you need to be a different map file. Where am I setting? Where am I setting the layers? Oh, here. Map. Where my assign is? Fire. Yeah. Oh, it's different. I'm just passing the whole. Hold on. Here. Where is it? Graphics load. Process. Load time map. Coach time map path. Yeah, this needs to change. So function load map. Index. Player position. I don't know why this is here. Mushroom collection, particle collection. I don't need you, I just need to rename this to be something different. Page this. And call load map 1. And I need to modify this style map path file to be only this, I guess. And I can append index to. In theory, they should be the same. Yep. But now we go back to tiled. Save as tile map 2. And now modify this. Doesn't really matter. Save. Export. I'm just leaving a tile map 2. So now in theory, in maps, in assets files, map files, we now have a tile map 2 Lua. And this is the second map. So if I come back here, and this is 0. Oh no, I need to do this when the player steps on the new tile. So if it is not a wall tile or water tile, then we are not moving. Else if new tile equals active, no, I need the const dot if portal tile, then else load map. I probably need to save a map index somewhere. Whatever. Map index equals 1. There's map index. Then go to player handler. Map index plus is 2. Load map index. I don't know if this works. Huh? What do you mean? Oh, there's no plus equals. Lua! Why don't you have plus equals? Such basic shit. Anyway. So, mushroom. Fuck all. Okay. Other time. You're over what I usually stream, but let me see if I can quickly figure this out. Load timer. Do I need to remove the old map on the noise timer? Path. Tile set is the same for the time being. Because the tile set is not changing. I guess I do need to rerun this, but I am rerunning it, right? Yeah. With time map and index. Hmm. It might not see the this file. I'm not sure if that's how it works. That could be a problem without requiring. So let me try this to the global and see if that is the issue. But I would assume it should save. But we will see. But yeah, the shorthand expressions are... It's not that I need them, they just make things so much easier. Not a wall tile, this is not a water tile. Equals to the active portal tile. Yeah, I'm entering this code part, right? That is not the issue here. And... Is it not on the debug console? Showing up because we are not going there? Or did I mess up my console again? No, it is happening. But this is not happening. Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is a steppable tile. This is when we are stepping to the new tile. Should be inside this. What is what happens when you forgot? What did you do? What's your problem now? I guess technically it might not see that. Okay, something happened. Time map 3 not found. Oh, I need to add 1. Oh, it's that easy. What the? Oh. Oh. Oh, you cannot queue here. Okay, so it's not fully working. Once it crashes, you're done. You need to restart it. I mean, it makes sense. My loop is not running. But... So now I can load multiple maps after each other. Heckity heck yeah! Wee. Okay. Phew. This was a day of tripping balls. I still don't understand what this comment suggestion was. But actually, yeah, I just need to modify the path file that I'm passing to the load map, and it reloads everything nicely. Which is kind of hacky in this way. If I don't modify any names, but it works. So what we do is we do git status, we do git add -a to add everything. Everything is added nicely. You can see all the stupid green files. There are a lot of changes there. And then you do git comment add. What did you do? Level. I don't know. Multiple level load. I'm not sure what branch I'm on, honestly. That is a problem. I'm on dev. Then we can do git push -f because I don't care what is up there. Raging the loop. Yeet. And now it is up in GitHub. And I don't have to cry myself to sleep. Goes loop. Let's come over here. It says that had a recent push. And I can check that commit. Multiple level load. There we go. Every change we have done is here. Cool beans. Okay, let's check. Move it back. Let's oh, that was me. Me unmuting. Splash is up making a miniature. Are you guys interested in putting together a miniature? They are making a Gundam, it looks like. Or like something like that. Oh no, it's a Lucario. I'm gonna raid over to Splash. You cannot stop me. Splash is a cool gamer slash from time to time dev. And if you enjoy the vibes I have here, you probably would enjoy Splash as well. He's more wholesome than me. He doesn't swear as I do from time to time. But yeah, it's a cool time over there. There is this cool raid message. You want to let him know that you're coming from me. And I will see you on Wednesday, I guess. I haven't made the schedule, plus I will put it together today because I have no clue what I'm making today. But yeah, I will thank you all for being here and see you over at Splash. Bye bye.